Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the adjectives part third. Okay. First and second part we have read. Okay. In first part I told you adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity. Okay. In second part I told you adjectives of number and distributive numeral adjective in second part. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective or interrogative adjectives. Okay, student, today we are going to discuss demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective or interrogative adjectives. So first let's see demonstrative adjective. Okay, so demonstrative adjectives are used to point out, okay, of noun. Okay, student, demonstrative adjectives are used to point out of noun. Okay, let's see, like this, that, these, those. These are demonstrative adjectives. Okay, in pronoun chapter also we have read these are demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so let's see by the example. This book is mine. Sorry, this book is mine. So, second, that house is yours. Okay, that house is yours. These shirts are his. These shirts are his. Okay. Those flowers will be used for making garland. Okay, so student, in this see book is noun और नाउन के बारे में जो बता रहा है दिस, ये इंडिकेट कर रहा है, ये पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है दिस बुक इज माइन. सो दिस इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. एंड हियर सेम हाउस इज नाउन और हाउस को इंडिकेट क्या कर रहा है दैट. ओके, शर्ट्स को इंडिकेट क्या कर रहा है दीज. ओके, एंड फ्लावर्स को इंडिकेट क्या कर रहा है दोज. सो दोज words I underlined, these are demonstrative adjectives because they are used along with noun. Okay, because they are used along with noun, so that's why these are called demonstrative adjectives. Okay, adjectives also, which adjectives are used along with noun. Okay, which word used along with noun, they are called adjectives. Okay, like this, that, these and those, these all adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, and they point out something. Okay, noun और pronoun को वो point out करते हैं. So these are demonstrative adjective. Okay, I hope you understood, because they are used with along with noun, okay, and demonstrative pronoun are used alone, so they are called demonstrative pronoun. So let's see second, possessive pronoun, okay. Sorry, possessive adjective. Okay, student. Possessive adjectives are used to show. Possessive adjectives are used to show ownership or possession on something. Okay. Ownership or possession, okay, to show ownership or possession, okay. So like my, your, his, their, these are possessive adjective, okay, and her also, okay student, these are possessive adjectives. So let's see by the examples. This is my house. This is my house. So see here, it is show, my is being used to show possession on house, okay. House is here noun, and that is your book. So also here book is noun and your is possessive adjective, okay. This is my dress. So here also my is adjective, possessive adjective, and dress is here noun, okay. And same I have given आई हैव गिवन हर बुक, में उसकी बुक दे चुका हूँ, तो यहाँ पे हर देखो, ओके, पोजीशन शो कर रहा है बुक पर इसका हर का, ओके. सो बुक इज हियर ऑल्सो नाउन एंड हर इज एडजेक्टिव, ओके. His, that is his car, okay. His here also possessive adjective, car is here noun, okay. And there also you can use, this is plural, okay. His also you can use, and her, sorry, my is singular and your is singular and plural also, her is also singular, okay. His is also singular and plural also you can say. Sorry, he is also singular, okay student. So that, sorry, those shirts are theirs, there, okay. Oh, sorry, those are their shirts. Okay, those are their shirts. So also here there is possessive adjective. Okay. Okay student, I hope you understood possessive adjective, because possessive adjectives are used to show possession or ownership, okay, on something. Now last we will read about the interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives, okay, are used to ask questions. Okay, are used to ask, interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. Okay. So like कौन कौन से होते हैं? What, which and whose, they are interrogative adjectives. Okay, not all WH words, only these are interrogative adjectives. Like see by the examples, what color do you like? Okay, what color do you like? They take question mark. Okay, and what plan do you have? What plan do you have? Which book is your, which book is your, okay, yours. Okay, which book do you want to study, want to read? ठीक है, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो आप, रीड, स्टडी. लाइक whose car is this, whose car is this, whose pen is that. Okay, so students, see here, what, these all interrogative adjectives are being used with noun. Okay, these interrogative adjectives are being used with noun, so these are called interrogative adjectives. Like color is noun, plan is also noun, book is noun, and book is noun, car and pen, and they are used with noun, so these are called interrogative adjective. And interrogative pronoun are used alone, and got it, they are used with noun, so that's why they are called interrogative adjectives. And interrogative pronoun are used alone, so that's why they are called interrogative pronoun. So I hope you understood. Don't think that all WH words are interrogative adjectives, only these interrogative words are interrogative adjectives. Okay, now this and that are used for singular. In demonstrative adjectives, I told you again, this and that are used for singular, these and those are used for plural. Okay student, and this and that, this and that are this and that, these, this and these are used for people or things that are near to us, near to us. Okay, and same, that and those are used for people or things that are farther from for. Understood that? That and those are used for people and things that are further from us. Okay student, so I hope you understood all things whatever today I have explained. After that, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay student, and whatever exercise, जो भी आपकी एक्सरसाइज दी गई है in your book, you have to complete all exercise. Okay, I hope you will not find any problem in this adjective. Okay, so thank you student, have a nice day.